Good morning, scholars. It's Miss Thompson, and I hope you're ready to grow your math skills today. Let's get into our math lesson. So first, we're going to start with our Ants Go Marching warm-up, where we get to practice with counting and warm up our singing voices. All right, me, 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 me. Here it goes. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Sing this next verse with me. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two. The little one stops to tie his shoe, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching three by three, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching three by three, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching three by three. The little one stops to climb a tree, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. What number comes next? The ants go marching four by four, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching four by four, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching four by four. The little one stops to close the door, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching five by five, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching five by five, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching five by five. The little one stops to take a dive, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Big finish. All right, let's get into our objective today now that we're all warmed up with counting and singing. Today is going to be a culminating task. We're going to get more practice with sorting objects by their use and counting the objects in each group. Then we will represent each group with a number tower and a numeral that matches. All right, so for my first slide, I need to sort these objects into two groups based on how they are used. So first, let me look at my bowl. What do I use a bowl for? To hold food. I eat things out of a bowl. I'm gonna put it in this category for things that hold food or things that I use with food. What do I use a pencil for? I use a pencil to write my name, to draw a picture, to write a letter. So since I don't really use a pencil with food, I'm gonna put it in this other category or this other group. What do I use a crayon for? Well, I use a crayon to draw a picture, and I can also use a crayon to write my name. And if I wanted, I could use a crayon to write a letter. So I'm going to put it over here with my pencil that I can use to do the same thing. What can I use my fork for? I use my fork to hold food, or to pick up food, or to eat my food. So I'm going to put it over here with my bowl because I use my bowl to do similar things. What do I use a marker for? I use a marker to write my name. I can use a marker to draw a picture or color a picture. I could also use it to write a letter. I'm going to put it over here with my pencil and crayon because I use those to do the same things. All right. Lastly, I have a spoon. What do I use my spoon for? I use it to hold soup or hold different kinds of foods, to pick them up and use it to eat. I use my spoon, I use my bowl and my fork to do similar things, so I'm going to put it in the same group. And there we have it. Our objects are all sorted together in groups that have similar uses. I use the things in this group to eat. I use the things in this group to write or draw. Now I'm going to count how many objects I see in each group. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 objects in this group. How many do I have in this one? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 objects in this group. So the numeral that matches is the number 3. Or let me show that the math way. 3. So now I'm going to use cubes to match both the numeral and the number of objects in my group. So we've already established that there are 3 objects, and this is the number 3. So how many cubes will I need to put in this tower to match? I'm thinking 3. Help me count. 1, 2, 3. So now my tower of cubes matches the number of objects, which matches my numeral. We're just matching all around. All right. Now I'm going to add one more cube to make 4. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes because I added one more. So today, together in class, we're going to learn how to sort these objects by use. So take a good look and put on that thinking cap. How do we use bananas? How do we use scissors? How do we use apples? How do we use paper? And how do we use oranges? Think about it. I'll see you soon. And if you're not in my class, then you'll see your teacher pretty soon. And we are excited to learn together and get this figured out and sort our objects. All right, bye.